Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Morega English Academy. Myself Kukishmita, and today on 11th of June I am going to start mathematics for class 6. So today we will start a new chapter which is playing with numbers. Okay, chapter 2, which is in a page number 16. Okay, playing with numbers. So here we will learn Bodmas rule. Okay, then multiples and factors, divisibility rules, LCM and HCF. Okay, so first let's know about Bodmas rule. It means BODMAS. Okay, B means brackets, O means off, D means divisions, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay, brackets, of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, this is about Bodmas rule. Then here brackets will used. Okay, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Okay, so first bracket we can remove by this line. Okay, then second bracket we can remove by this sign. Okay, third bracket we can remove by this sign. Then fourth bracket we can remove by this sign. Okay, so let's do exercise 2.1. Simplify the following. So in simplification of this sum we have to apply Bodmas rule. Okay, so question number A is 4 plus 19 plus 7 plus 3 minus 8 plus 9, then bracket close. Okay, so at first we have to do the first bracket one where the line is given. So line is given upon 7 plus 3. So first we have to add 7 and 3. So others number will be same in their place. 7 plus 3, 10. Then minus 8 plus 9. Then again bracket close. Okay, so now we have to do step by step. Okay, we cannot do all, we cannot add at the same time. Okay, add all the numbers at the same time. Okay, we have to do step by step. Then 19. So after this bar it is minus 8. So 10 minus 8 it will be 2. Then plus 9. Then bracket. Then 4 plus 19 plus 2 plus 9 means 11. Then 4 plus here 19 plus 11 means 30. So the final result is 4 plus 30 means 34. Okay, so step by step we have removed the brackets. Okay, and we have add and subtract. Okay, then from question number B up to P all are same. So you have to follow the Bodmas rule. Okay, according to Bodmas rule, first you have to do the bracket things, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, so according to this rule you try to do this all from B up to P. Okay, if any confusion then ask me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, I will do for you. Okay, so note down in this question number A in your copy. Okay, and don't forget to do from B up to P. Okay, so thank you for today.